You are welcome to Remit Forex Academy. Euro USD have dropped right down after the CPI data release, and also GBP USD. We'll see a little drop on the card, but not significant. And right now, market is about to move up right here on USD card. What is going to happen on GBP USD and Euro USD? That is what I'll be talking about in today's video. So watch this video till the very end. And if you are new to this channel, Remit Forex Academy, please like this video, help subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this. Also check the channel for other forex educational content. And if you come back right here to the chart, Euro USD, you see the market will move a little bit after this drop to the downside upward, but the market was overdue to retrace because market moved all the way from this area and to this very point. And then after the CPI data on Thursday, we see the market drop from this area to this very point. What I am expecting on this chart is not an upward movement, although retracement is necessary. So as the market opened on Monday, what I am expecting is that we should see retracement within this area where the market is and this very zone of support right at this point. So we have a very important support at this very area. We have another important support at this very zone. So these two support levels are very important. That is why this area where you should expect the market to retrace to the upside from on Euro USD. So this price level of 1.05060 and this very price level of 1.04600. So from this area, retracement is going to come into the market before continuation to the downside. That means you should wait for market to retrace, and then this very region that is after retracement will be a nice time to sell the market to the downside, and this very area as well will be another point to sell the market from. That means you should be looking for sell opportunity on Euro USD 4-hour chart. Wait for that retracement to come into the market, and then continuation for a sell-up will be a nice thing to do on Euro USD. And on GBP USD, the same thing has happened right here. You see the market move down into this very area of important support. So this support level is very important, and this other support level is very important as well. So expect the market to also retrace from this very area of support right at this very point and this very area of support as well. So from this price level of 1.21300 and this price level of 1.2616, within this zone, expect the market to retrace as the market opened on Monday. So what you need to do is not to pay attention to setting the market from where it is right now to the downside, because this very support is very important, and also this support is very important. Even though the market move a little bit downward, we are not going to see a significant movement to the downside except a good retracement to the upside before continuation again. So it's after retracement that you will need to sell the market on GBP USD, and this is exact same thing that I am watching for next week of trading. And on card here, if you look at card, market has moved down a little bit, and then we see this consolidation. After consolidation, market move up a little bit. This market is still going to move to the upside because after the CPI data, we have market move up and then come back right down a little bit. What I am expecting is market to come down on card, okay, because USD is the base currency right here, while card is the counter or quote currency. Market should come back down a little bit on card, and then from this zone we should see the market to move up again. So market move up from here to the upside, we have retracement, and right now market move a little bit. I am expecting that this market will continue movement to the downside and then finally move upward. That is my expectation, and that is my directional bias on USD card right now. Don't expect the market to sell off. And one other point you need to pay attention to on card is this very zone of consolidation, which was a nice support where the market moved from. If market break on this very support level on CAD, expect the market to move straight to the downside into this very zone of important support. So a breakout here is going to send the market into this very zone of support, okay, before we see the market retrace again. But I am not expecting a breakout, but that is a possible thing that can actually happen in the market. A breakout here, market is going to come back down, and a sell-off will happen immediately after the breakout. This is what you need to pay attention to right now on USDCAD, GBPUSD, and EURUSD at this very area. And if you are new to this very channel, Remit Forex Academy, please like the video, help subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this. Thank you for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.